Star Atlas cost estimates for 2030 range from 0.006589 to 0.012446. Analysts of the market think Atlas could reach 0.005125 by the year 2025. The price forecast for the Star Atlas market for 2023 is 0.001171. Atlas, the latest web craze, NFTs, is expected to have an effect on the gaming business thanks to this cutting-edge tech. Innovation could change the way that internet-based video games are played. If you combine NFTs with the game industry and the possibility of the metaverse, you might see a change in the specialized scene in terms of money. Start is one of these projects that is ready for the wave of computer games that is coming. Star Atlas is making a far-future virtual game world with a dual symbolic economy. The white paper for its clients says that Star Atlas is a Solana-based online game metaverse with a space theme. It creates a metaverse experience by combining blockchain systems with NFT-based in-game items and specific illustrations that show what a Star Atlas is a space-themed multiplayer game metaverse built on the Solana network. Because this is so amazing. They can work together and fight to get their way into an ignored area. Star Atlas will start its first campaign to make its own currency in August 2021. The campaign will focus on in-game materials because of the idea of non-fungible money. Each part of Star Atlas is a NFT that has been put on the blockchain. The Star Atlas world is huge, and players must go on dangerous missions to gather resources and try to outsmart other players in the metaverse. Star Atlas is a game where players can keep talking to each other and build huge cities. Star Atlas is different from most other gaming platforms because it fully accepts decentralization. Instead of putting restrictions on reselling and taking full responsibility for game objects, Gain's NFT-enabled in-game things will be the sole property of the players, who will be able to sell them at other NFT commercial centers. Star Atlas is an important place to look into. This is how people who care about money figure out how much a coin is really worth. The main goal is to look at a lot of internal and external parts of a coin to figure out if it is overvalued or cheap. Financial backers use this knowledge to get into and get out of bets with accuracy. Investigating the basics is something that should be done before trading digital money. A simple study can give the financial backer an idea of what money control and speculation will be like for the digital currency and how to move forward. Specialized testing isn't as important as this stage, which needs more careful inspection and experience than official tutoring. The cryptographic money is the main subject of the tests. To fill in the gaps found under future cost development, market study is essential. Computing a fair value or normal value management review, figuring out how hard the group is working, assessing the organization's financial health is an important part of an investigation. Vital screening is made up of three main parts. Economic evaluation. Examination. A business study of the market. Critical analysis is a broad method that requires a deep understanding of bookkeeping, money, and financial matters, such as understanding macroeconomic problems, knowing how to value things, and being able to read financial reports. Also, it usually uses public information, like a company's past income and net income, to predict how it will grow in the future. This is how much Star Atlas is currently worth. Atlas has changed 1.36 points, and there have been 787,658 trades. With a market capitalization of $14,354,720 Star Atlas is now ranked 681st among all cryptographic kinds of money. Using the above diagram's general strength record, RSI moving weighted normal MWA Williams fractal and moving normal combo uniqueness mapped, we can decide if this year will be a bullish or a negative one. Atlas has information about the market, and all of that information is updated live on our website. This lets us make dynamic cost estimates based on how the market is doing right now. From some points of view, Star Atlas's value prediction for 2023 is Star Atlas is one of the most interesting new types of digital money to come out this year. Atlas says that the price of an Atlas will go up a lot in the second half of 2023, possibly hitting 0.002196. Like with other digital currencies, the rise will be small. But there shouldn't be any big drops. The average price is 0.00205, and the cost is competitive, but it can be done sooner rather than later if combined efforts and planned steps are made. Atlas is expected to have a base value of 0.001757 star Atlas value expectation 2024 of every 2024 star Atlas cost forecast has a lot of room to grow because of the likely declarations of many new associations and drives. We expect that the price of Atlas will eventually go above 0.003661 still, since the market is hard to predict. We should wait to make any good bets until the Atlas's general strength record gets out of the oversold zone. Atlas will trade with a base exchange price of 0.002929 and a typical exchange price of 0.003221 star Atlas value expectation for 2025. If the upward trend continues until 2025, it could hit 0.005125 per Atlas. Maybe the goal won't be reached. Atlas is projected to have an average price of $0.004686 and a low price of $0.004393 in 2025. Atlas works well to support market mood among people who like cryptographic money. We think that the price of an Atlas coin could stay the same for the next 5 years. Atlas will be green in 2026. In 2026, the Atlas is expected to be taller than it was before. In 2026, the value of the fictional currency will be 0.006589, with a basic price of 0.005857 and an average price of 0.00615 star. Atlas, what its value will be in 2027. We think that the Atlas cost will reach a normal value level of 0.007614 by 2027, with a base cost of 0.007321 expected by the end of the year. This is based on a lot of research and expert analysis. Atlas also has a number of 0.008053 for its most extreme value. Atlas, the celeb. Bitcoin stays at $30,000, Ethereum is above $1,900, and XRP goes up by 6%. Bitcoin nursed its wounds from the weekend and made small gains to stay above the $30,000 mark. Ethereum also went up a little bit but stayed below the $1,950 level. Bitcoin and other crypto tokens got over the weekend jitters, which were caused by people